Hello everyone. Silver hit a 2-year low today. Silver currently is about 1945. So it looks like a good time to buy silver currently with the ratio at about 90-1. Not as high as we got back a human history high of 5,000 years of recorded history. Ratio was over 120-1 back in 2020. So we've had a lot of people continue to ask. We did a video if inflation is up, why precious metals down? And the reasons that we gave in the video was number one is look to the US dollar versus other currency if you're pricing in dollar terms or whatever currency or nation you live in. And then manipulation, how things can be influenced, short-term price movements, manipulation. And then the fact that metals being traded on futures market was the third reason. And then the fourth reason was if there's leverage or speculation in the market. So those were the main reasons that reference of why metals are down. Inflation is at record 40+ year high. So I'll just link that video down below because I touched on that. But one thing I want to comment on is just we've touched on gold price and other currencies, but silver price and other currencies. A good website to use is silverprice.org. And as you can see, silver in US dollar terms is down about 7% this year, or in other currencies it's down even more. So if you look at the dollar index, so this index is made up of 6 different currencies. So you have the euro, which is about 57% of the index. And if you look at silver in euro terms, it's down about 3% this year. And then if you look at silver in Japanese yen, which makes up about 13% of the US dollar index, it's down about 9%. And then British pound, silver is down about 3% this year, and that makes up about almost 12% of the index. Silver is down a lot more in other currencies, or up in other currencies a lot more. So you just have to have global perspective and understand there's a lot more to the market than just pricing something in dollars, US dollars or Canadian dollars. You really have to understand more factors of just why the price is down or up. So just kind of expanding on the number one reason. So the US dollar index is one index that look to versus other currencies, or I'll just go directly on currency just to see what currencies are performing well versus other currencies. And that does have an effect on the gold and silver price. So the BRICS nations have held up pretty well against the dollar. So you have Brazil and then Russia, which Russian ruble has done pretty well this year versus the dollar. And then India, China. So those countries are trading directly amongst each other and starting to bypass the dollar, but still debts denominated throughout the world are in dollars. So the US, we get to benefit from living off the rest of the world and temporary, as we mentioned in the video, for exporting this inflation. And when that dollars eventually someday come back here, that's when big inflation happens. But currently, just wanted to expand a little bit on that because we continue to get this topic. We just what to look for. The number one reason is focus on the dollar versus other currencies, because other currencies are falling faster and quicker than the dollar currently. And remember, buy real, be real, get real physical gold and silver from Coinhuskers. Coinhuskers! Thanks for watching.